Morning. It is January work weekend here at Midwest Central. It's a little chilly. Not too many people here yet. There's a couple different projects going on right now. They're moving some stuff in the yard, so hopefully it will be a good, productive day. Some of the guys are working on detaching the tender so we can separate it and have more shop space in the winter. Steam engines look so weird without their tenders. She's naked. Which drawing are you looking for?
Step drawing for this coat.
So this drawing is for 2. And there's the part. So one of the big projects that's being worked on here at Midwest Central is this coach, frame of a coach that is behind me. So it was drawn up in CAD. Basically, this coach had a wooden and steel frame underneath that was trash. So we built an all new frame for it. It was drawn up, that was constructed, and now we're putting the body back on and working on building the body up. And if you're asking, yes, I have a hard hat on. I've had 6 head injuries, so better to protect my noggin. We repaired some old West Side trucks for underneath, and then we got those painted up in a buff color, and this is the new steel frame, and then the old body that is getting some TLC. Here's the drawings, including sub-assemblies.
The rest of these aren't all on same. We don't care. All that gets dimension off the back side here, the flat, so same with here, it's all off. And of course there's a knot right there. And there's like kind of more of a sap. We need a table to work on. Yeah? Will do.